First go to the file and choose open. Select this background image. Click open. Next go to the file and choose place embedded. Select the strawberry PNG image. Click place. Now rotate and adjust the image in this manner. Press enter. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now take the elliptical marquee tool and select the strawberry like this. Now hold the Alt button and click on the Add Layer Mask option below. Select and expose the top layer. Right click on this layer and choose Rasterize layer. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose Desaturate. Go to blend modes and choose screen. Open image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust the input shadow and highlight levels like this. Press OK. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. Select the half image, click place. Press enter. Now take the elliptical marquee tool. Select this image middle part in this manner. Click on Add Layer Mask option below. Now press Ctrl T for the transform option. Adjust the image like this. Press enter. Move this layer to below. Select the top layer. Click on the Add Layer Mask option. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to black. Now mask the layer like this. Select the bottom mask layer, set the foreground color to white, then expose the stem and leaves in this manner. Let's see the final result.